Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Reports online morning update for the 13th of September 2012. Global markets were fairly subdued overnight as traders and investors nervously awaited tonight's Fed meeting that could pave the way for additional stimulus. When the US Central Bank concludes its meeting, a majority of economists expect it to announce new steps to stimulate economic growth. Markets also breathed a sigh of relief after Germany's top court ruled in favour of the legality of Europe's permanent bailout mechanism, paving the way for that country to participate in the region's rescue plan. There were muted moves in commodity markets, with gold and copper ending slightly lower ahead of tonight's FOMC meeting. Elsewhere, oil fell back from its earlier highs after a report showed an unexpected increase in weekly US crude stockpiles. In the currency space, the greenback extended its declines against the euro and Aussie as the German court ruling boosted risk appetite. Overnight, the SPY briefly overcame resistance around 43.70 but was unable to build on its gains. Instead, the index peeled lower alongside US markets and now appears unlikely to make any significant moves today ahead of the Fed meeting. It is likely to be a lacklustre start for the Aussie market this morning, with SPY futures pointing to a flat open for the physical market. In this morning's report, we maintain our long bias in Hong Kong and our neutral bias in Japan, whilst in the Australian equity section we have a long bias commentary on Suncorp Group. We'll be watching Suncorp closely this morning. If we like what we see, we may send an SMS alert with more specific trade details. That wraps up the Australian Stock Report morning update. Thank you for listening.